In this example, we're going to find the common factors of 10 and 20. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to take the factors of 10, and I usually just list it out this way, starting with the lowest number, which would be 1, and I work my way through the list. So like 1, I'll check 2, 3, 4, and I can see that for the first one, 1 times 10 gives me 10. I know 2 goes into 10 5 times. 3 does not go into 10, 4 does not go into 10, 5 does go into 10, but if you notice, 5 times 2 is a repeat of 2 times 5. It's the same thing. And 5 is the halfway point to 10, so I don't have to keep checking anymore because I'm just going to get back the same factors as before. Now I'm going to move to 20 and figure out what are the factors of 20. So again, the halfway point is 10, right? Half of 20 is 10, so I know I got to check from 1 through 10 to figure out the factors of 20. Starting with 1, I know it's 1 times 20. You can have 2 times 10. 3 does not go into it, but 4 does. 4 times 5. 5 goes into it, but that's the same as 5 times 4 is the same as this one. 6 does not, 7, 8, 9 does not, 10 does. But 10 times 2, you can see, is the same thing as that one. So I'm actually going to not include that. And then the rest, I don't have to check because we already have all the factors for 20. And now I'm just going to reorganize it so that instead of a vertical format, I have it as a horizontal format. So I'll put 10 and 20 and just write down the ones that are not repeats. So for 10, it would be 1, 2, 5, and 10. Those are all the factors. And then for 20 would be 1, 2, 4, 5. 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, and 20. And when you have your lists, we're looking for common factors. So these are all the factors of each number. Now we're just going to circle the ones they have in common. And I usually recommend starting with the smaller list because then you could just compare it to the small list. If you start with the bigger list, you're going to have to keep checking each one, which doesn't make sense. The smaller list would be better. So 1 is the same as 1, 2 is the same as 2, and 10 is the same as 10. And that's it. These are all the common factors. So to answer the question, the common factors of 10 and 20 would be 1, 2, and 10.